Good morning, students, or maybe it's afternoon. Not sure when you got up. I am going to show you in this quick video how to install and use Zoom, which is a new application that lets us have group meetings a little bit like we had when we used Google Hangouts and Google Meet. First thing you're going to have to do, guys, is find self-serve on your computer or on your iPad and tap it so that we can install it. It starts with the letter Z, so it should be at the bottom in alphabetical order. When you find it, install it. Takes a minute to download, and it has to say reinstall. I had to click mine a couple of times. Not sure why it's lagging, but after I click it a couple of times, it loads up. I'll know it's on there because it says reinstall underneath it instead of install. Now I'm going to go to my desktop. There it is. It's loading, and once it's in, it's pretty quick to get on. So this is going to be a little different than Google Hangouts in that this has a couple of numbers you have to enter. So Zoom, we're going to launch it, and then we're going to have to join a meeting. You can sign up or sign in, but you really shouldn't. You don't need to. You can just join a meeting, and what all you need to do is type in the meeting number. It's the ID that you'll get in an email from a teacher. So it's going to be a series of 9 numbers. So mine is 132, and then 007 and 748. And I now press join, and it should ask me for the password. And the password is another set of numbers. So it's 458204. Press continue, and then it's going to ask me if it can use my camera, and I'm going to let it use my camera. Hello. And now I'm going to join with video. Once you do that, it's going to ask you if it can use your microphone, and you're going to want to do that. You're going to want to press allow and call using internet audio. Hello, this is me on my computer, and then I'm looking down here. This is me on my iPad. And that's how this would work. So I'm going to get out of this right now. Quit out of it. And thank you. If you have any questions, you feel free to email me. But that's how you join a meeting. And it works very similarly to the other application we were using. It's just kind of better in some respects. So that's it. Thanks.